just update my garden. So yesterday I planted this coral transfer it here. So hopefully it's gonna be good and better growing. And this one I also cleaned this in the detergent sauce again. Back again, guys. Stupid. Another problem. I need to clean up in the detergent, guys. Water with detergent. See this one? I need to take it out. There is a, look at them, stealing it. I want to clean up. Okay, my lettuce is, I don't know why this kind of lettuce is like a hanging. There's a lot of lettuce different grow, guys. So this one is different, guys. Look at water like the icebergs. Yesterday, oh my gosh, hopefully will be alive. This my potatoes. Hopefully doesn't damage. I put some yesterday. So probably this is gonna be transferred. There's some there doesn't grow. I'm getting good now, guys. So other day I transferred this my garlic in this pot, the rectangular pot, garden pot. So, hello, good morning. Check this. Hopefully they will grow. My broccoli, nice. This one, I don't know, it's gonna be survive. I don't know, guys. This cabbage is already good. I don't know what I'm gonna plant here. I have no idea yet. So, okay, my tomatoes is getting better. Go again. And the cucumber, I'm happy it survived. Because when I back home, so my God, almost dying. And this is what I'm gonna do this. There is a lot of bugs. Gonna get a soap, guys, liquid soap. This also. What is this? There is something. I hope this one gonna be good now. Hopefully. This one gonna water it. So much dry the soil. So we're gonna spray the water. And this one is lettuce. So then I will check to be grow. Hopefully I did not soak the water, but hopefully they will survive with the water, spray in the water over there. gonna make my bottle soon. Make my bottles. So if they will grow this, I'm gonna make it. This is my update for us now. I have my compost here. I put a soil later if they dry off. I'm gonna have a plant for here. More bottle here, hanging bottles. And for this, so probably not that one. That maybe that one bottle, my Coca-Cola. This one gonna hang there so that I could plant my lettuce with the water. Because there is a different. This one is okay. They will survive with the soil. This one with the soil, but this one they will be survive. But that one you need to soak in the water. This kind of lettuce. Yeah, that's it. I can update for you guys. And my garden is last week I did pressure wash here in my backyard, because when I came back home, oh gosh, a lot of molds, guys. A lot of molds. Oh god, like that too. Like that in that kind. Walter doesn't like that. In America, guys, doesn't like that. If they have molds, they will tell you. They will make you attention to tell you that it's not good. Could make sick to everybody. It's not good. You need to clean and brush it. That's what in America. Yeah, molds is make you sick. Even in the wall, guys, if they see inside in your house, they will tell you that that's not good. Could make you sick. Molds. So you need to clean in the bleach. So that's what America. Here, just ignore it. See? That's why I always tell to my housemaid, you need to clean. That's why Walter support me and buy for pressure wash, so that we can pressure wash here in our concrete, so we can clean up the walls and the floor, because he doesn't also like it. So it looks like not perfect clean, but at least no so much molds like this. They started already. We just cleaned with my housemaid that is still because of the water, stuck water. So that's why when I make a bucket container, I put a stand. See that yellow, the cup of Coca-Cola I put so that you can hang it a little bit level, not totally to the ground, guys. So that the soil, when you water it, doesn't stuck in the it could make stuck the soil there, may be not good. So it's hard to clean. Even my garden box, Look at. So I can brush it. I can clean the down with the brooms, bamboo brooms. So yeah, that's it, my update, guys. I need a lot to plant, but it's not. I'm waiting for it to grow my seeds. So this one also I'm planting it, and this one, that one, the empty there bottles, and that one there I set aside, and that one also in the containers, white containers, plastic. It's already empty, so probably I buy something. So only I plant, guys, that I needed, that we needed, the important we needed. My husband, we like lettuce and cucumbers, tomato, potatoes, also carrots. So that's what important. Broccoli. The rest is I plant only for just for me. I like green tops, kamalonggay, but I have my longgay here outside, and okra. That's for us, for my housemate. So so that we can have also harvest if I want to make a tinola, or else lasoy. We call that in Filipino the soup, the soup that have green vegetable. Here, guys, so grow the okra on that side. I plant also there. That's the malunggay and lemongrass. We have a lot, and green tops and the red mix, red and I have also there alugbate. I don't know what they call the green. It's like a green, what they call this, spinach. It's like a spinach of alugbate. Look like that, spinach, baby spinach. Okay, and I have kangkong. I doesn't grow my kangkong, and I plant here the squash. No longer survive. I don't know why. It's not good for there in the ground. I don't know why. Look at the one here. Oh, okra. Okay. So that's it. Actually, that garden and outside is not for me. It is not our part of our property we rent. This is still empty, so we just use it. We just use it and plant, because somebody is taking care with it. It's Nanay Punying, but she honored us to use for plant vegetable here, because she also taking also this green vegetable. Okay, that is my update, guys. Thank you for viewing, for respect for my channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day to everyone. And also, we're gonna go for appointment of Walter, so we're just early wake up and take a breakfast, because Walter have appointment for the doctor today for his cardio she have a bypass surgery and stents. So we need to follow up because he have the doctor of the eye need a clearance, so we need to go another for his doctors or cardio doctors to ask for the clearance before they proceed to do the surgery of his cataract. Implant the lens, just implant only, guys. I don't know what is the brand of the lens that they will implant of these eyes, because before in the right, you have already in the right side, it's a US, but because she have a problem with the in the left side now, she has a higher astigmatism. So 400. So the doctors asked they will recommend something that for good for his also astigmatism. And she was inborn lazy, so that's why it's hard for him to. So she was have also the eye operations for problem of his lazy, so they already fixed it, but now she get a problem that is astigmatism. It's already high 400. They said it, the doctor. So it's very expensive, but one two she gonna be spend the money 120. Yeah, 120. So what we gonna do for his good look, so that she can look very nice, better, because she's driving, and he's driving also have motorcycles, and but so he needed to surgery for the problem with the cataract, and because he has already a blindness, guys, and sometimes when he step in the step ladders, whatever, stairs, so she need to be careful. I always tell him that watch your step all the time, because you're gonna be full on. Too many times that she was double is looking, she thinking she falling down. Better she balance it, just balance his step. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye, and have a wonderful day to everyone. And that's it, my update, and see you the next my video for the doctors. Yes guys, bye bye, see you next.